how to easily find and remove duplicate values in your Excel sheet. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can quickly find any duplicate values using conditional formatting and then remove those values. So as here you can see, we are currently in our MS Excel sheet and here we have a small data set as a demonstration. In many of the cases you might have a larger data set in which you need to find duplicate values, and doing so manually is not only tiring but also time consuming. So let me show you how you can do this quickly using conditional formatting. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is select that particular column or those records from where you want to apply the conditional formatting. So for this demonstration, I am applying it onto this column that says employee ID, since employee IDs are unique and should not contain any duplicate values. So I have selected the employee ID field, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is inside the home tab, I'm going to click onto this conditional formatting button under the style section. So once you've clicked onto this conditional formatting, you need to click onto this first option that says highlight cell rules. Then under the highlight cell rules, simply select the last option that says duplicate values. Once you'll click here, you can see this says duplicate, and then you can choose any color in order to identify the duplicate values. I'm keeping it to the default, and then I will click onto this OK button. And here you can see that Excel has identified and highlighted the duplicate values in this particular data set. Then the next thing that we will need to do is find a way in order to remove them. If there are only a few data, you can remove them manually, but if you want to remove them automatically, then what you can do is simply select the data set, and then you need to go to this data tab at the top, and under the data tab you can see that under the data tools section you can see this option or this button that says remove duplicates. So simply click onto this remove duplicates, and from here it says in this dialog box, to delete duplicate values, select one or more columns that contains duplicates. So since our duplicate fields are inside this employee ID column, I'm gonna only select the employee ID and not the names. So then click onto this OK button, and here you can see this says one duplicate value is found and removed. 7 unique value remains. Note that counts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. So that's how easily we can remove the duplicate values in our MS Excel and also find them. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.